you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? That was me testing if my girlfriend can currently hear me. I make her put in the AirPods. I make her put in noise cancellation because I like to feel like I'm alone. We're gonna be talking about how to make money on TikTok in 2020. I've discovered various ways to make money over the 46 days that I've had TikTok now. Especially with me having over 840,000 followers on TikTok, it really helps me branch into different areas of TikTok and test out different ways to make money and really maximize it as much as possible so I can see what really works and then show it to you guys. And that's pretty much what this channel is all about. And if you've been subscribed to me for a while, I really appreciate you. If you've been watching all my videos, you know that I really care about you guys and I care about your growth. But now, aside from the growth on TikTok, I really want to talk about how we can maximize the amount of money, the amount of income that you can make through TikTok. So in this video, I'll be giving you several tips on how to make bank on TikTok. So welcome back to another dose of Joseph. If you don't know me, I grew on TikTok from 0 to over 810,000 followers in the matter of 40 days. And I teach the strategies that I've learned from the biggest TikTokers and also strategies that I've created myself. And I've helped tons of people get over 10,000 followers and even over 100,000 followers. If you end up liking this video, you'll definitely like all the other videos that I have in my TikTok tips to go viral playlist that I'll be linking down below in the description. And if by the end of this video you learned something, definitely like this video and subscribe because I make videos like this every other day. Send this to a friend or two that are also struggling to grow on TikTok and stay into the end because I always put the best tips towards the end to reward the people that stay. Also, if you want to join my free TikTok viral chat where I keep you guys up to date on the latest trends, and also if you want to watch the first 4 segments of my course for free, it's on my website doseofjoseph.co, and I'll be showing you exactly how to find that on my site and also how to get mentorship from me personally at the end of this video. So stick around. So I am feeling pretty brolic right now. Someone just came and bought my girlfriend's dresser and I brought it down like, Ugh! So I'm feeling huge right now. I'm feeling pretty confident. So we're gonna get right into it and talk about the first tip on making money in TikTok. TikTok Live. TikTok Live, I've been able to make a lot of money, literally just going live and getting donations from my viewers. I'm definitely gonna give you some juicy details right now, but if you wanna watch an 8-minute video solely on how to make money on TikTok Live, and even how to make money on TikTok Live in your sleep, I highly recommend you watch this video, which I'll be linking here. Don't click it right now, just set a reminder on your phone or write it down to remind yourself to watch that after this video. So as a lot of you know, you can go live on TikTok, but you have to be 16 years old or older. If you're younger than that, as I've said in other videos, I highly recommend you make another account that says that you're older than 18 so that you can actually make money and also go live. So keep that in mind, guys. But just to get into the logistics, on TikTok Live, people can donate to you in the form of gifts, and these gifts represent a certain amount of coins. The more coins you get, the more money you make. Coins directly translate to money and can be withdrawn from your account into your PayPal, and then from your PayPal into your bank account. And I've spoken to a lot of people that have lots of followers and have gone live a lot and have made money, and they still don't seem to understand exactly how much a coin represents or how many coins they need to make, let's say $10 for instance. So I want to quickly break that down for you and help you understand what coins equate to in dollars. So I live in the United States, so I'm obviously going to tell you what it represents in US dollars. If you live somewhere else that uses different currency, just go on Google and search how much that represents in your currency. So the reason why a lot of people don't know what TikTok coins represent in dollars is because TikTok hasn't really put it out publicly. You can't go to the TikTok app and go to your settings and find out what amount of coins equals how many amount of dollars. You can't even really go on Google. And a lot of the YouTube videos that I've seen are actually outdated. So what coins are worth are kind of up in the air right now. So for every coin that you get on TikTok, it represents half a cent in US dollars. Yes, half a cent, half a penny. So if you want to make a lot of money, you're going to need a lot of coins. And I think the reason that TikTok doesn't put this information out is mainly because they've been changing so many things over time on their app. Like instead of withdrawing coins, coins used to have to convert to diamonds, and then the diamonds would be transferred to money and then could be taken from your account. And I guess they came to their senses and thought, wow, this is super fucking confusing. So now they cut out the diamonds and now there's only these coins. And as I said before, you receive these coins in the form of gifts. So I'm not gonna break down every single gift because that just takes too much time, and I already made a video on that. If you want to watch a video on what exactly each gift represents, you can watch that. It's going to be this video right here, which I'll link right here. I pretty much break down the coins and the PayPal and all the boring stuff that I'm not going to get into in this video. So go ahead and watch that after this video. But the 2 most important gifts you want to receive are the I'm Very Rich and the concert. I'm Very Rich represents 1,000 coins, which is the most amount of coins you can receive at once within one gift. And then the concert represents 500 coins. Now people can actually send multiple I'm Very Riches or multiple concerts. So you can make a lot of money from one person. And one thing that really sucks is there actually used to be a drama queen which represented 5,000 coins, but they took that out because I guess too many kids were donating 5,000 coins. And honestly, it does cost a lot of money to buy that amount of coins. Whenever anybody sends you a donation, you can see it right on your screen. And let's say you have 500 people in your live and they're all sending messages and you can't see what they're saying. You will be able to see what people are donating though. So it's kind of a way, if you have a lot of people in your live, for people to get your attention also. So the reason why I only mentioned the concert and the I'm Very Rich is because these are the big donations that you want to receive to actually make going TikTok live worth your time and where you can make the most money. So to do the math for you really quick, I'm Very Rich has 1,000 coins, so that equals $5 US, and a concert equals 500 coins, which gives you $2.50 in US dollars. So if you receive 20 I'm Very Riches, which is 20,000 coins, you'll make $100 in your TikTok live. Now I've been able to make over $200 on one TikTok live, and this is obviously going to be when you have a lot more followers, but you could still make $50 every day, $30 every day, and it'd still be worth it. If you go live every single day for 7 days a week and you're making, let's say, $50 every time you go live, you're making $350 just to interact with your followers. Now I'm not going to make it sound super simple. Obviously you're going to need to sit on the TikTok live for at least 3 hours, 4 hours, but 3 or 4 hours is a lot better than working as a waiter or working at H&M or some retail store for 8 hours and only making 70 to 80 bucks. And the longer you go live, the more money you can make. But this is the way you got to do it. You can't just go live and just be silent or just kind of chat a little bit. You have to play games with your viewers, or you have to do Q&As, or you have to do something to get them entertained. And while you do this, you need to use the green screen feature to put up a donation key. Have you ever seen a map and there's a key at the top to tell you what the colors mean or tell you what certain symbols mean? That's basically what I mean for the TikTok live key. You want to create a key that shows them that if they donate a certain amount, you'll do something for them. So for instance, right here you can see one of my keys, and obviously the more I'm Very Riches that they donate, the more I'll do for them. I'll give them mentorship or FaceTime them, shout them out on the live, and this incentivizes people to actually send you donations so you can get the maximum amount of donations during a TikTok live. So I've made a good amount of money doing this, and you can go ahead and make a lot of money doing this. And like I said, you can go watch my How to Make Money on TikTok live video and see all the different tactics that I use to get more viewers and to make more money. But I do want to slip in a little side note here. Keep in mind, guys, a lot of people don't know this, but the amount of money that you're making on TikTok live from donations is actually only 1/3 of the amount that people spend to get the coins to send you those donations. So for instance, if someone sends you 1,000 coins with an I'm Very Rich, you make $5, but the person that sent that to you spent $15 on those coins. TikTok takes $10 of that $15. So if you want to be able to make that full $15 instead of just the $5, I highly recommend making a key where you give people your Venmo or your Cash App and incentivize for people to actually send you cash instead of sending your donations. This way people can actually spend less money sending you donations by just sending you money directly instead of giving TikTok 2/3 of the money. Now I know what I just talked about might bore you a little bit, but this is something that goes over a lot of people's heads. You have a lot of earning potential if you have people actually donate directly to you. And it doesn't only have to be Cash App or Venmo, it could also be PayPal. Alright, enough with TikTok Live. I feel like I gave you guys enough information. Take it or leave it. You can make a lot of money with it. Tip number 2, you could build up a TikTok page that actually fits some sort of niche of something that you're selling. So just as a random example, I know a lot of women actually sell makeup products and face products and lotions and potions and stuff like that. What someone that sells those things can do is build up a page just for makeup, lotions, and potions and all this crazy stuff. Find a way to make it interesting for TikTok viewers, build up an audience, and then put their link in their bio and motivate people to hit the link in their bio and buy their products. Now I just use makeup as an example, but you could do this with fitness, you could do this with courses, you can do this with gadgets and gizmos. You can do this with affiliate marketing. Like if you want to sell Amazon products and make a percentage of the money, you can go ahead and do that. Find something that you can make money with. Go ahead and grow your TikTok using my strategies on my YouTube, or maybe buy my course or my mentorship so you could really grow fast. By the way, that link is right here. And sell those products by putting the link in your bio and having people buy it. I've seen so many people make tons of money this way. Tip number 3, use TikTok as a platform to grow your YouTube and get monetized on YouTube YouTube and make money on YouTube. I'm a prime example of someone who's been able to grow their TikTok and use the TikTok to grow their YouTube. At this point in time, I have over 9,000 subscribers, and I really don't think I would have had that many subscribers if I was not using my TikTok to grow my YouTube and promote it over time. So if you guys have some sort of hidden talent, you could play an instrument, you could sing, and you've never made a YouTube but you really wanted to, I understand that YouTube is super hard to grow on, but TikTok is the fastest growing platform right now with over 800 million users, and the way its algorithm works really helps everybody out in growing as fast as possible. So since you can grow so fast on TikTok and also put a link in your bio, I highly recommend you use my strategies to grow super fast, finally make that YouTube channel that you've been dying to make, because I know everybody has something that they want to talk about on YouTube or make videos about on YouTube, and then put your YouTube link in the bio, and every once in a while mention to go subscribe to your YouTube in your TikTok videos. Or you can even make videos on TikTok that primarily promote your YouTube. Just use my call to action strategies that I've mentioned in my other videos, and use those call to action strategies to get people over to your YouTube from TikTok. And if you haven't already, I highly recommend that you watch my 0 to 100K followers on TikTok blueprint, which looks like this. And again, I'll link right here if you really want a precise guide on growing your TikTok. Another side note, guys, I don't want to confuse you or anything like that, but I really don't want to miss any piece of information. But you guys can use Linktree to put into your bio. And what Linktree actually does is it directs people to a page that has multiple links of yours. So instead of having to only put one link in your TikTok bio, you can actually have multiple links using Linktree. So if you want to sell stuff on your TikTok, like I mentioned before, and you also want to grow a YouTube channel, you could put both of those links on Linktree and then put your Linktree link on your TikTok. Linktree link. That could be like a tongue twister or something. All right, I'm getting off topic. Tip number 4, you can actually make compilations on YouTube of people's TikTok videos. So for instance, Charli D'Amelio puts out a lot of videos. You can actually go and save her videos right from the TikTok app, edit it on iMovie or something to mash all the videos together, and boom, you have yourself a YouTube. Oh, that's my food, that's my food. I'm starving right now. All right, so I want to get up close and personal, guys. Like I said, I want to start moving around in my videos a little bit more. So as I was saying before, I rudely got interrupted by my delivery man that was bringing delicious food that I'm about to eat right now once I finish this video. You can make compilations of people's videos like Charli D'Amelio's, or you can make compilations of certain dances or of certain types of categories within TikTok. And since you're actually not making content and you're just taking content from TikTok, you could literally download videos all day from TikTok and make tons of compilations and get tons of views. Because think about it, so many people are very famous on TikTok, and you can use their name and use their clout to get yourself some views on YouTube. And with this, you can get tons of views, tons of YouTube subscribers, and be able to make lots of money getting monetized on YouTube and making money from each view that you get from your videos. One really good idea that I had that I'm gonna actually give to you guys, because it's something I would actually never really do, because I already found out what I want to do on YouTube and I already do it. But what you could do is make compilations of shocking TikTok videos. And you know why shocking videos would do so good and make you a good amount of money? It's because a lot of dance videos on TikTok actually use popular music, which is copyrighted music. And you can't make money, or you won't make the most amount of money you can make. And you can even get strikes and eventually banned on YouTube by using copyrighted music. So instead of doing that, you can make compilations of things that don't involve music, like shocking videos, like I mentioned. So for instance, videos of boyfriends getting caught cheating, or videos of people running at the edge of buildings and almost falling, or videos of ghosts in people's houses or something. And you could title your videos Most Shocking TikTok Compilation or Most Insane TikTok Compilation, something like that. But I know that would be a really good idea and definitely get tons of views. So you're welcome. So very last tip, and after this I'm gonna eat my beautiful pad thai and fill up my empty stomach. Another way you can make money is by letting me take you under my wing. Right, this is my wing, and let me help you make money by selling my courses. Like I said before, you can sell tons of things on your TikTok, put the link in the bio, and be able to cash out on that. Aside from e-commerce and drop shipping and making money with Amazon and stuff like that, I actually have my own affiliate program with the courses and the mentorship that I sell, and I pay people out 40% for anything that they sell on my website. So if you're interested, I'll give you your own affiliate link so that my website can actually track exactly what sales are yours, exactly what users on my website came from you, and it'll track how much money you make, and then I pay you out as often as you want and however you want. I can pay you out on Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, bank transfers, however you want to be paid out. Currently right now, I do have some affiliates that are making good amounts of money, and my course and my mentorship are literally unbeatable. There's no other TikTok program out there that's teaching the stuff I teach and helping grow people's accounts as fast as I'm helping them. There's 109 videos in my course jam-packed with information, tips, and strategies. If you go to any other popular TikToker that has a course, they don't have anywhere near that many videos on their courses. Now, obviously, I can't let you be an affiliate without actually buying the course or the mentorship, because how are you gonna sell something that you wouldn't actually buy yourself? But obviously, I will give you a huge discount if you have more than 50,000 followers and you do wanna take this seriously. I'll take off 50% of the price on any of the packages. All you have to do is email tiktokexplosioncourse@gmail.com. Let me know you're interested in being an affiliate and that you do wanna buy the program for 50% off if you have more than 50,000 followers. If not, you are gonna have to pay the full price on the course, because if you haven't really grown, obviously these are brand new strategies to you and you really do need my help. And I honestly do believe in paying for value, paying for things that are gonna help your life. So if you wanna be mentored by me, you want me to write out a very comprehensive spreadsheet telling you exactly what you're doing right, exactly what you're doing wrong, and a full 7-day or 20-day regimen, depending on the package that you buy, telling you exactly what to do every single day to grow the fastest you possibly can. If you wanna access this, just go to doseofjoseph.co. You can also see reviews on the site, you can see people I've helped, and then you can see the description for all the packages. There's a video right when you go to doseofjoseph.co that explains some of the packages, so there shouldn't be any confusion. So guys, I highly recommend you take some action, get yourself the course or the mentorship, and if you wanna be an affiliate and make some money with me, and I'll help you make sales for sure, then you know what to do. Also, as a side note guys, if you wanna try out the course, you can access the first 4 segments of my course for free on that website as well, and you can also access my free TikTok viral chat where I keep you guys up to date on the latest trends, the latest strategies that I'm using and that a lot of other people are using to grow their TikTok the fastest. I also go live in that one every once in a while. All you have to do is sign up on the website and you'll get a link in your email. If you're confused about anything that I said in this video, just watch it over again. And if you have any questions, definitely comment those questions down below. If you enjoyed the video and you think you learned a lot, definitely like the video and subscribe to me, because I make videos like this every other day. If you made it to the end of this video, I want to see who my loyal viewers are. Comment down below I made it to the end. Watch my other videos as well if you're looking to grow on TikTok, and check out my TikTok tips to go viral playlist that I mentioned before. That'll be linking down in the description below. And if you grow on TikTok using my strategies, definitely hit me up on Instagram and let me know, because I might put you on my story. I respond to everybody that follows me on Instagram. For the viewers here that have been watching me since the beginning and have watched multiple videos of mine, I really appreciate you, because you've been helping me grow. I'm super close to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I really do want to thank you. Keep watching my stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!